High brightness. Powerful 180-watt LED light bar, high-quality LED chips and clear PC lens, super bright white light dispels darkness. Combo beam, clear view. Appropriate combination of spot beam and flood beam for widespread and long-distance illumination. Side mounting bracket. The sturdy bracket can firmly fix the light bar. Quakeproof when passing through rugged terrain. Waterproof rate. IP67. Waterproof up to 3.3 feet of water for 30 minutes and effectively dustproof. Package include 1 PC 180-watt LED light bar and mounting brackets. Material. 6063 Diecast aluminum profile, stainless steel bracket. The light bar can be used for 12 volts to 24 volts. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. Very bright light. Mounts and hardware are quality bits. Very happy as always with Niligjt. Can't go wrong.